Chef Pete here, and today, I want to show you some things I have out here on the table. We are going to make today an Italian style, or Italian Greek style, turkey meat. You could use beef meat, you could use chicken, ground chicken, you could use lamb, use whatever kind of meat you like, all right? And I'm going to make it Italian Greek style with some peppers, some beautiful mushrooms, but it's going to be rice together till we have a one pan meal, okay, that we can do right on the top since it's summertime now. Get it on the table as soon as the rice puffs up. Call it a casserole, call it a one pan casserole, call it whatever you like, okay? So here's some ingredients I have. I've got some mushrooms, I've got some peppers and some onion I'm gonna cut, and I have some ground turkey over here. I'm gonna put some San Marzano tomatoes. I'm gonna chop them up into this, or you could use a can of diced beautiful Italian tomatoes you can buy in the store. I'm using San Marzano. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna dice them up and put that in. I have some beautiful broth here, and chicken broth, and I have some peppers and onions, I told you, and then I'm going to throw in some beautiful little cauliflower pieces at the end. Okay, you could put broccoli if you like, you could put asparagus if you like. Always put it at the end so it puffs up and it does not disappear. Okay, so there we have how this is going to work. Okay, so I'm gonna heat this up. Now the thing to remember about when you're doing it this way, it requires certain things, some oregano, some Italian seasoning, some garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil in your pan because you're going to brown the meat at the beginning here, and then you're going to move through your steps and go in with the rice last, go in with some broth. If you need extra water, you can add it, but only do that after you've got your diced Italian style tomatoes. I'm using San Marzanos. Only do that after you get that in to make sure you have enough to carry the rice to go for about 20 minutes or so, to have her to puff up, so you have a beautiful one pan rice dish casserole. Okay, so there we have. This is a new recipe I'm doing to inaugurate part of our summer series of keeping things cool and don't run the air conditioning into the ground. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's.
So what is the first ingredient you're going to start with today?
Today we're going to start by browning the meat. So when you guys come back, we'll be doing some shorts as we move through the process of making this dish. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Let's go!